Hey, are you looking for the best blender from Amazon? I have fixed the top 5 best Amazon blenders of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the blender are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the best blender is 3D 6 Blades Portable Juicer Blender. Already this portable blender price is $14. The juicer cup is made of food-grade non-toxic and eco-friendly PP, ABS material, and BPA-free. You can enjoy fresh nutrient retention and wonderful leisure time. The updated version personal blender with 6 blades in 3D for superb mixing, which can effortlessly pulverize fruits, vegetables into amazing smoothies. It doesn't leave chunks of fruit and ice and no noisy like traditional blenders. The USB juicer cup comes equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that can be easily charged by a power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phones, or other USB devices. It has a smart safety protection device, magnetic sensing switch, ultra safe to use and clean. The juicer cup's body and bottom can be separated. You can easy to clean it. In this juice blender mixing kinds of fruit and vegetables. You can make natural tasty juice, milkshake, smoothie, and other baby food. It is very portable and great for traveling and outdoor. In at number 4, the best blender is Fimei 800-watt electric hand blender. Recently this blender price is $49.95. Fimei hand blender set is equipped with stainless steel blender stick and whisk, BPA-free chopper 500 megaliters and masher, and a beaker 700 megaliters can be used as a food processor, hand mixer, egg beater, and potato masher with low noise. This hand blender with a powerful 800-watt motor is the perfect appliance to create delicious smoothies and shakes, blend soups and sauces and so much more. It is easy to use and offers excellent performance and a stylish look, suitable for all kitchen styles. The 2 buttons offer low and high speed directly. This hand immersion blender with 6 levels of step-less speed can finish the task of food prep quickly. Turbo setting achieves the max speed directly. All plastic parts are BPA-free and the blades are made of high-quality stainless steel. So the hand mixer is lightweight and durable. The durable blades with an anti-splash cover can prevent food spattering when stirring at high speed. It can be easily installed and removed in 360 degrees and cleaned in the dishwasher. Stains on the stainless steel casing of the engine and adhering food debris can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. The traditional design makes the machine splash during high-speed rotation. Our machine has a linear design, which is splash-proof and more efficient. In at number 3, the blender is Abox Calmdo Masticating Juicer Blender. Now this blender price is $99.99. It has a up to 90% high-purity juice yield, 70 PRM slow masticating and grinding. Extracts the maximum amount of nutrients and vitamins from minimum amounts of fruits and vegetables. Less waste, foaming, heat, and oxidation than centrifugal juicers. Never fade and contaminate your juice. It is compared with another plastic auger, give you healthy, smooth, best-tasting juice. Automatic pulp ejection function for continuous juicing squeezes 16.9 Oz fruits juice at a time. It has a 140-watt energy-saving motor with quiet operation. Automatically chooses the most suitable speed based on the hardness of fruit. 4 anti-slip suction cups on the bottom make your juicer machine firmly placed on the countertop. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe, easy to clean. Reverse function, not worry about clogging while enjoying your juicing. Easy to assemble and disassemble your juicer in seconds. Calmdo cold press juicer can also be used for creating sorbet, ice cream, smoothies, sugarcane, even baby food, butter, milk, and more. In at second place, the best blender is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Now, this blender price is $289.95. It has 10 variable speeds that allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Its layer coarse chops over smooth purees for heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. Cutting blades measuring 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. Electrical ratings 120 volt. It has hardened stainless steel blades. Its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients. So from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Cord length is 4.5 feet. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Every Vitamix blender comes with a tamper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends, so you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. The blades reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. It has a high-performance motor. Blend frozen fruit, heavy powder. The powerful motors transform tough ingredients into smooth blends, year after year. And at number 1, the best blender is Oster CB0 Blender. Recently this blender price is $199.32. Its vacuum blending is proven to preserve more vitamins and nutrients compared to traditional blending, for healthier results and a healthier you. By removing oxygen before blending, vacuum technology keeps smoothies and blended drinks fresher longer up to 24 hours. So you can prep ahead for next day enjoyment. In this blender using innovative vacuum technology, oxygen from the jar is removed before blending to create a smoother, more colorful blend free of bubbles and foam, and with less separation for better consistency. It has 5 pre-programmed settings. Take the guesswork out of blending, and blend meals and drinks to perfection using pre-programmed settings, including smoothie and food chop. It has a powerful 1000-watt motor. Easily crush ice and blend through frozen fruits and vegetables with ease for smooth, nutritious, and delicious results, every time. Vacuum-compatible storage cup included 240Z. Storage cup lets you vacuum seal your drink then store it for up to 24 hours or take it on the go. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.